never got the chance to be honest. I'm happy for you. There goes years of my progress. You said I take too much space. I said it. One thing I like about me is that I'm nothing like you, and I never will be. Someone who loves how it sounds when they speak. You're not telling the truth, no, you're just being me. You're just being. One thing I like about me is that I'm nothing like you, and I never will be. Someone who loves how it sounds when they speak. You're not telling the truth, no, you're just being me. I went outside just to cry, and this look in your eye like you. Oh, but I can't be surprised to get less the more damage you've done. Led you through all of your issues, projecting on me. You'll never be the way to fix you. You said I take too much space, and right now I can't shake how it's done. And I'm nothing like you, and I never will be. Someone who loves how it sounds when they speak. You're not telling the truth, no, you're just being. You're just being. One thing I like about me is that I'm nothing like you, and I never will be. Someone who loves how it sounds when they speak. You're not telling the truth, no, you're just being.
Yay! Well done, Tia. Well done, girl. Zoe, what did you think?
That performance showed a lot of professionalism then, because you had a mishap at the start, you got the words, but you carried on, and your mic went off, but you carried on.
That was my ring's fault.
But anyway, you show professionalism. I love the message in that song. I think it suited your tone and your voice really well. I like how you're starting to explore your lower range a bit more. Just make sure you're supporting them notes a bit more, right? And stay focused, okay? Because you can do it. Well done.
Kelly?
I love how current you sounded. You know, there's a lot of female artists, I think, in the charts right now, and you sort of fitted right in with that. That song really brought out your kind of tone and where you sit. I'm just loving your song choices these last 3 weeks. I really am. It's like we're seeing you now come forward and be who you want to be, and it's really working for you. I thought that your control in that song was probably the best that we've seen it, because there was a lot that you had to do with your voice. And I think that you're showing so much progress, you know, you're showing so much growth. And your stage presence as well, that it was absolutely amazing. And you handled the little blips with such maturity, which is such a huge thing. So I think you should be really proud of that performance, vocally and stage presence.
Louise?
Yeah, Tia, well done for carrying on, babe, because I know that when that song ended then you looked a bit disheartened, but don't be, because the thing is, when you go wrong, if you carry on, it doesn't matter, yeah? And you did that, you had that professionalism, like Zoe and Kelly said. There were some tuning issues, but I agree with the girls, that song does go a lot of places, so it's just fine-tuning, that's all, you just lost some of the notes here and there. But it was a really pretty song, I think it did suit you, it just needs, like I said, fine-tuning. And yeah, your lower register, your voice is pretty down there, but you tend to oversing it, and I know when you were in the last season when you did Crazy, do you remember we had a session and we spoke about don't oversing the bottom notes? You're just kind of going back into oversinging them, so just don't overthink that too much. But that's all stuff that we can work on anyway, but I thought it was a really good performance. Be proud of yourself. Don't worry about the blips, because you carried on. Well done, babe.
And Tia, look, you've got some really, really good positives, right? Because for me, the last 2 weeks, the song choices you pick in are much more suited and much more better for you to show off who you are while you grow. So you're definitely on the right path with your song choices, right? Keep feeling that vibe. The only thing that you need to work on, which is something that you've already been working on anyway, is your focus. You just need to focus on more detail when you're singing and when you're performing. Just remember and focus, because that's all I'm seeing. And you know, these little blips and that, they're all coming from a lack of focus. So just make sure you're working on your focus when you're singing and when you're performing in that. And don't overthink it too much, just relax and just remember your parts and how you're going to sing it and all of that. But you're definitely on the right path, right? So this I wouldn't say this is a bad performance, this is definitely a step in the right direction. So you're on the right path. Keep doing what you're doing, all right? Well done.
Thank you.